You live in another reality, and I'm the first to admit that was a lousy analogy. The stars outside, they call you incessantly, but you're assuming that gravity wouldn't crush you instantly. So she wakes me. Was she watching me? She takes my hand and she does not let go. She wakes me. What does she want from me? Hates me, oh, but God, I love her so. A day in bed, a minor infection, but when the Red River flows, it only flows in one direction. The stars outside, they glow fluorescent